Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help me grow this. In this channel, we are going to talk about plants, particularly house plants. Actually, not particularly about house plants, particularly about succulents and cacti. But yes, I'm going to talk about certain other house plants as well. So I started off this channel and my first video was about adeniums. Then I ordered another kit and that was again of adenium because I haven't had a good success with adeniums, especially germinating seeds. So I wanted to try out all the possible ways by which I can get to germinate the seeds that I get. I don't know, the previous ones that I had ordered maybe didn't work because they were either too old, because old seeds, adenium old seeds never work. They're very prone to getting rot or fungal infection, as a result of which they tend to rot easily. So, but this particular kit that I ordered, and of course I had posted my opening video, unboxing video on that. This video I'm going to give you all information about it so that whoever is interested can get themselves the kit. Today when I was watering my plants in the morning, I peeked through the polythene bag covering the pots that I had shown you guys, and I was kind of surprised when I saw some seeds germinating. Of course, there were 5 seeds in each pot, but again, I didn't see through all, but yes, I did get to see one of them, and I was super happy to show it to you guys that yes, I did finally got to germinate adenium seeds. I'm super excited, and I will remove the polythene bag right in front of you guys so that you guys can see it for yourself. It was worth buying, and let's see. I haven't actually seen the other pots, but let me open it in front of you guys, and then you guys are the best judges to decide for yourselves. I have already invested in it, and hopefully, as I mentioned earlier, that hopefully I get one adult plant of each variety. That was the Arabicum, the Somanlis, and the Obesium. I have them in other, I mean, like I bought them the full plants, but you know, the experiencing of buying seeds and sowing seeds and letting them, you know, seeing them grow in front of you is something entirely different, and it is very heart pleasing. So let me take you there, and I'll open the polythene covers in front of you guys. So stay tuned. Okay, so here I am now going to be removing the polythenes from the adenium seedlings. Let's hope, fingers crossed, and let's hope for the best. So starting off with the first one, this is, which one? Okay, I'll stick it up here. This is the Arabicum. So let's hope for the best. So here we have a single sprout. We're going to be having one here, if it can focus, because it's kind of elevated. I'll be spraying this. Seems to be having a little bit of, though it's slightly moist, but still. Okay, so here we have one. Now let's go to the second one. This is the Somanlis now. Okay, so I need to use my scissors. So, ta-da! MashaAllah. I have in this one 1, 2, and 3. 3 adenium Somanlis. This is some random plant. Okay, so in this I had 3. In the Arabicum I have 1 and 1 coming through. Now let's go to the third one. Arabicum, probably the first one. Oh, this is Obesium then. Okay, this was Obesium. I got like mistaken because its tag I had removed. So now this is the Arabicum. So Obesium 2, one actually germinated, one is still on the way. Somanese, we have 3 out of 5, and this is the last one, the Arabicum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. MashaAllah. Now we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 of them. Alright. 4 in these, probably the 5th one on the way, but it was worth it. It is amazing. I'm really excited about it. I'll just fix this a little bit. Okay, so that's interesting. That's very good. It was worth it. I'm really happy for it. Okay, so I am going to spray it a little bit with some antifungal water, and then let's see, fingers crossed. Probably this one, this is the Obesium. Hopefully this gave me the least ones, one, and probably second one emerging from here because this is slightly elevated. And let's see, otherwise it was very good, very nice. My first ever adeniums seedlings, amazing. So inshallah, the next time I am going to update you on removing them from the pot once they are of the size, and transferring them into another pots, individual pots. So till then, I hope you liked it. I'll definitely give down the links below, or the information below of the person whom I got it from, and you guys can have it for yourself if whoever is interested in it. Thank you very much for watching, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.